Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix Instagram not letting you log in problem. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. The first issue could be that you don't have an internet connection or your Instagram app is not updated, but if the issue still persists, then kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Tap and search for Instagram login help. Select the first website. As you can see, we have successfully logged into our account. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.